Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you wish to create a presentation using AI, then watch this video. So I just open the browser, I go to slidemake.com and we'll start from here. Now let me enter a topic, say I enter birds of America and I will enter the number of slides. I will enter 10 here. If you want to enter more, then you need to log in using your email. Select the language. You can select any of the languages here. English. Add placeholder images. So this will create images in your presentation and include references if available. It will make all the references that it uses the information form. It will list it in the last page. Now it will create these slides, and then once it creates these slides, you have to click on download, select the theme, the font and the template and click on download pptx, and you'll get a wonderful slide presentation like this with the images and with a lot of text. And like I said, you will also get the references in the last page. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.